Good morning, everybody. What is going on, guys? Just ran with it here, and we're chilling this morning. Going out for a quick bike ride. Found this cool little private beach. Wanted to do a little bike check. Obviously, people do not know how to clean up after themselves. But yeah, man, we're gonna get that shit cleaned up, and we'll be right back. But yeah, guys, it's beautiful out here. I just want to stop in here, say what's up, share with you guys what I get to see in the mornings. Cause man, when I'm not on camera getting baked inside, I'm chilling out here, enjoying the beautiful nature and scenery. So happy 4th of July, guys. The weekend's coming up. Hopefully you guys got some fun plans, some good smoke, be safe out there. And we're just chilling today, man. Check this out, man. I got my Specialized Sequoia. This thing's set up with a 1x11 drivetrain, SRAM rival on this. Got some SLK carbon cranks, basic Shimano 520 pedals. Running some carbon wheels on here with some 42C tires, tubeless. Steel frame on this. I do like my steel road bikes and mountain bikes and gravel bikes. I like carbon, but steel frames feel good. Full carbon fork up front. Some Specialized bar and stem. Run the force shifters on here, hydraulic too. Just some 2-piston calipers. Force calipers as well. These things stop really, really well. Nothing crazy there, just some basic Novitec hubs. They're nice though. Good engagement, sound nice. It's an XDR road hub, but you can use an XD driver cassette on here. So pretty sick. Specialized Adventure saddle. I like this thing. It's actually pretty freaking burly. Their carbon post with the gooseneck in here. It looks weird, but this thing does work, man. Takes a lot of the road vibration off. But yeah, man, this is my favorite bike. I take it out on crazy adventures, off-road, on-road. It's seen a lot of fun. But I'm gonna get myself on out of here, guys. Go enjoy the rest of my ride and day. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. Maybe I'll see you guys, maybe I won't. But anyways, I'll see y'all real soon. Peace.